Just thought I'd give a quick update on the 5x10 plasma table. Got the frame up in the air, it's up on all of its legs, and I'm currently working on the drives for each side. I decided to make my own complete units, spring loaded, so it rides in the rack really nice. I'm working on this side right now. You can see what we got. We got the linear rails and our plate. Super smooth, super precise. Got our stud sticking through here. It's an Allen headed stud. I don't know if that'll focus. And then this spins, allowing our drive assembly to pivot up and down and engage the teeth of the gear rack and drive the unit back and forth. So this is gonna sit on this peg like that, and then be spring loaded like this side. And the teeth of the pinion gear engage in the gear rack like that, and that's what drives the gantry back and forth. Thanks for watching. We'll have updates shortly.